Hi students, this lesson is to explain to you how to complete slides 1 and 2 of your argument project slides. So for slide 1, you are going to put your topic, and this is the topic that you worked on in week 4 with your articles. So you're not picking a new topic, it's the same topic, either gum at school, college athletes, homework, cell phones at school. So it's the same topic from week 4. You just put the topic and then your first and last name using capital letters correctly. Now your introduction slide is where you are letting the reader know, or the viewer know, what you will be talking about. And you want to make it interesting, you want to get their attention, and you want to give a little bit of context and then give them your side, your claim. So here are 3 types of hooks. You can do a universal statement. For example, all teenagers search for a sense of identity. One way they find their own sense of self is through fashion, and that would be for school uniforms as the topic. Okay, so all teenagers something, or all people something, or all schools something, or schools around the world, or teenagers around the world, something to do with your topic. That's a universal statement. This one's the tough one. A lot of kids aren't using a shocking statistic, but if you read one in your articles and you did not use it as evidence on your evidence chart, you could do a shocking statistic. For example, 63% of schools that have uniform policies have increased behavior problems. Whoa, more than 50%? That's a lot. Another one that you could do is called an open-ended question. This is not a yes or no or involves the word you. Be careful not to sound rude about it. So for example, what is one way to create more problems for overworked and stressed out teachers? The answer is school uniforms. We don't want rude questions like, why do stupid people think uniforms are a good idea? Rude. Or a yes, no, where somebody could just go yes or no. Should we have school uniforms? Or poke the reader in the eye with the word you by saying, have you ever thought about school uniforms? That's annoying. Don't do that. Now, big mistake a lot of students are making is they are copying their question for their topic into their slide as their hook. All of those questions are yes, no, so they're automatically not acceptable. You can start an open-ended question with who, what, where, when, why, or how. For the bridge, background information, this section of your introduction is going to connect your hook to your claim. So you're just basically giving your reader a better idea. Kind of assume that they know nothing about this. They haven't heard of your topic of cell phones at school or college athletes. And they're like, wait, what are you talking about? Why is this controversial? So I have an example here for you on school uniforms again, where I simply say, in discussions of school uniforms, one controversial issue has been requiring all students to wear a uniform. School uniforms are often seen as a solution to many different problems. After looking at both sides of the issue, I have a clear opinion on this topic. I gave you this frame to help you. Now be careful because a number of students just plugged their topic in to the second sentence. So they had something like, in discussions of college athletes, one controversial issue has been requiring all students to wear a uniform. What? No. And then they'll say, college athletes are often seen as a solution to many different problems. That makes no sense. So use the frame, but fill it in for your topic, something that makes sense for your topic. Now let's talk about the last part and hopefully the easiest part. If you did your argument chart correctly last week, you simply highlight, copy, and Control-Shift-V paste your claim from your argument chart into the last part of the slide. If you didn't do it, you're either going to say yes or no, and then state your topic, not just the word yes or no. That's not a sentence here. All right. That's the end of our lesson. Now go complete slides 1 and 2 of your assignment.